Hello out there, everyone. Manny here at Area 503. A short while ago, I did a video on Oumuamua, which was a near-Earth object that passed relatively closely to our planet late last year. And I got to wondering, just how often do these things come flying by our planet? I mean, of course, there's Bennu and Apophis. Both are near-Earth objects that could potentially strike the Earth. I found this application called Asteroid Alert on the Android marketplace. It has a number of features on it, such as SMS alerts when objects are passing close to the planet. But what I would really like to know is how many of these things on a daily basis are coming near the planet. So I decided to use this program to check the last few months' activity to see how many near-Earth objects we've had. There wasn't a whole lot of activity in August. But here towards the middle of September, I see a few objects coming in. And here in October, man, just look at that. There's a whole cluster of them coming in. It's starting to look like there may be a lot more near-Earth objects than I originally thought. So I did a little bit of research on the NASA webpage, and I found out about this project called NEOWISE. NEOWISE had originally completed its mission back in 2011, and it was put into hibernation mode. However, in December of 2013, NEOWISE would be brought back online and tasked to find more near-Earth objects. And what it would find would be truly extraordinary. Over the next 4 years, NEOWISE would collect this data showing literally thousands of near-Earth objects. So, I don't know about all of you guys, but I sure am glad they switched that thing back on. I used to think it was a pretty rare occurrence that something would fly close to the planet. However, seeing all this data, I'm kind of shocked that it doesn't happen more often. And I really am amazed that we don't have more planetary strikes than we do. Now I noticed something very interesting while looking at this data as well. The yellow items here indicate comets, and as you'll notice, a lot of those are coming in at a different angle than our gravitational plane. And all objects rotating counter to our gravitational plane are exceptionally dangerous. I find it extremely concerning that NEOWISE is only scheduled to operate through the end of 2018. Every year that this project has been operational, we have collected more and more data on thousands of near-Earth objects. I personally feel that projects such as these should be continued and even further expanded. The benefits are self-evident, including planetary protection, but also a greater understanding of how our solar system and our universe works. In September of 2006, NASA first announced plans for the NEOCam. The purpose of this project was to not only identify near-Earth objects, but also to characterize them. But the fate of the project would come into question January 4th, 2017, when NASA would announce that they would fund an extended Phase A study for NEOCam for 12 months. I guess we'll just have to wait and see what they do. Although I really don't see what option they have but to fund some kind of program like this. Well folks, there's the data. There are thousands of objects flying around us, flying near us, and flying into us. And at least through the end of 2018, we'll have some eyes in the sky looking out for us. But after that, it's anybody's guess. Now, I personally find the idea of flying blind ludicrous. Yep, that's how I feel about it too, Al. As always, this has been Manny at Area 503, and I hope you have enjoyed learning something with me today. I am out of here to continue on my search for universal truth.